your own channel NCRT e-teaching. In today's video, we are going to discuss class 2nd EVS and our topic is places of worship and festivals. I am Mrs. Happy Rathod. Welcome you all. Let's get started. This is a temple and first we are going to discuss about the places of worship for different religions. So Hindu they go to temple for prayers. Then after Muslims they go to mosque to do prayers. Christians goes to church to do the prayers. Sikhs go to Gurudwara to do the prayers. Buddhists go to monastery to do prayers. Jain goes to Derasar or Jain temple to do the prayers. So these are our places of worship. Again we will repeat it. Hindu temple, HINDU temple. Muslim, MUSLIM Muslim, MOSQUE mosque. Christian, Christian, CHURCH church. Sikh, GURUDWARA Gurudwara. Buddhist, Buddhist monastery, monastery. Jain, JAIN, and they go to Derasar or Jain temple. DERASAR, Derasar. Our festivals. There are two types of festivals we celebrate in our country. First one is national festivals and second one is religious festivals. Let us know more about this type of festivals. National festivals. National festivals are celebrated by the entire nation. They are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So in our country we celebrate total three national festivals in our country and they are first one is Independence Day, second one is Republic Day and third one is Gandhi Jayanti. Let us know more about them one by one. First one is Independence Day. So Independence Day, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. India became independent on 15th August 1947. The Prime Minister of our country hoists the flag at Red Fort in Delhi. Second one is Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. India became a democratic republic on 26th January 1950. We celebrate it as Republic Day. The main function is held at Rajpath. A special parade is taken out by the armed forces. You can see the picture of a parade which is held at Rajpath in New Delhi at the occasion of Republic Day. Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhiji's birth anniversary is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. He is also known as the father of the nation. Now, second part is religious festivals. India is a land of many religions. As we earlier said that we have so many people of different religions, like Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, etc. So, we have many religious festivals that are celebrated with joy across the country, and they are Christmas, Diwali, Holi, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Eid, Guru Purab, Buddha Purnima, Dashera, Ponam, Onam, Pongal, Baisakhi, Bihu, etc. So, first, Diwali. Diwali is known as the festival of lights. People decorate their houses with lots of diyas and candles, and they wear new clothes and they greet each other Happy Diwali. It is celebrated because on this day Lord Rama returned home to Ayodhya after 14 years. Sweets and gifts are exchanged with neighbors. People decorate their houses and wear new clothes. Second one is Holi. Holi is known as the festival of colors. It is a Hindu festival. People all over India celebrate this festival by playing colors and give sweets to relatives and many more. Christmas. It is celebrated by Christians people, by Christians. Jesus Christ was born on this day. It is celebrated on 25th December. People decorate Christmas tree and exchange gifts and sweets with their neighbors and relatives. Eid ul Fitr. Muslims celebrate Eid ul Fitr and Eid ul Zuha. During the month of Ramzan, they fast from sunrise to sunset. Namaz is performed in the mosque and they greet each other Eid Mubarak. Buddha Purnima. On the occasion of Lord Buddha's birthday, Buddhists celebrate Buddha Purnima. People offer special prayers and exchange greetings on this day. Guru Purab. Guru Nanak Dev Ji's birthday is celebrated as Gurpurab. Sikhs celebrate Gurpurab. People offer special prayers and eat langar at Gurudwara. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Stay connected, stay home, stay safe, wash your hands frequently, and be happy. Bye bye.